Back for what? I'm gonna take video on here.
The scatter. Smile there.
Why not this?
Utso na utso. Taas nga kon.
They should take this. I wish I bring the blogger camera. We need to clean up the car tomorrow. On Thursday. Before we leave. Fixing tires. You explain what are we doing here?
We're fixing the tire. He's fixing a puncture in the tire. Put it in your bag.
Drag namin ang bullkit 250.
Come again?
Drag namin ang bullkit
250 charge.
For 2 puncture.
Yeah.
Okay, well.
250
One.
1 each.
Bullkit.
Oh, 1 voltage.
Bullkit.
Ay, ano yun? Bulkhead, 1 bulkhead, 250.
1 what?
250 charge.
For puncture.
No, bulkhead. I don't know what is bulkhead. You show, kuya. Pakita mo nga sa kanya, kuya. Kung ibig sabihin nun. I like that. Ganyan. That's the one. No, that's the one they are using here. Yeah, patches.
No. You need to go through the wall.
Huh? I think they use that one and then ano yan, tapos sinihit nyo pa.
Eh, wala na ma'am. Ano lang, may...
You glue, yeah.
You glue.
Patch. Yeah.
And then you've got to go through the tire.
Yeah.
Yes. Supposed to.
So 250 each.
250 total.
Each.
No, I said 250.
Yeah, 250 each.
No, 250 for the repair.
Each? For one nga.
And 500.
How many is
There's
that?
two.
2 to 500.
Check.
Ilan yung paggagamitan, kuya?
Ha?
Ilan? Dalawa?
Dalawa ang...
Yung gagamitin na gano'n, yung patches? Ano ba?
Isa lang.
Isa lang.
Isa lang ang gamit niya.
It's only one patches.
100.
Only one. They use only one. So you pay only 250 every.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's the battery.
Yeah. So solar.